The Asphalt Tonnage Calculator determines how much asphalt you'll need for your paving project and estimates the associated costs. Let's look at the 3 input fields. First, we have area measured in square feet, where you'll enter the total surface area of your paving project. Next is thickness in inches, which represents the desired depth of your asphalt layer. The third field is asphalt density in pounds per cubic foot, with a typical default value of 145 pounds per cubic foot already filled in, though you can adjust this based on your specific asphalt mix specifications. For our example, let's calculate the requirements for a small test area. I'll enter 10 square feet for the area, 10 inches for the thickness, and keep the default density of 145 pounds per cubic foot. After clicking Calculate Tonnage, the calculator provides 3 results. The volume required shows 8.3 cubic feet. Below that, we see another volume required value of 0.60, likely representing cubic yards. The final output shows a volume required range of $48 to $73, which appears to be a cost estimate for the calculated asphalt quantity. Next is thickness in inches, which represents the desired depth of your asphalt layer.